Hey guys and girls, I'm gonna make a little tutorial for you guys about polar coordinates and one of the cool little tips and tricks to making some cool looking shapes. Alright, so I'm gonna start off by finding a picture, and using this technique you want to have a square canvas. So if you can use a rectangle, but it won't give you circles, so you want a square canvas or a square picture. Alright, now what you do from here is grab your blank canvas and the square tool, make some lines like this, and I'm holding shift by the way to get multiple rectangles, something like that, which looks alright I guess. Control backspace and that'll fill it in with a color. The color will be whatever you have on your canvas. um, yep, then I want to click out of it to unselect it, and then I want to right click on the layer and convert it to a smart object. Now that it's a smart object, I can move the thing around. Alright, now this is a cool part. Go up to Filter, Distort, Polar Coordinates, and this thing will come up. Hope you can see my cursor by the way. Anyway, yeah, so that looks pretty cool. You can have it as a circle or something like this, like a wavy effect, but I'll stick to the circle. So I'm going to push OK. Now I've created a cool looking shape. Yeah, I can push Control I, and that'll inverse it and make it white, which is what I want. Chuck it on top of that, and there you go. Got a cool little effect. And I'm just gonna lower the opacity a bit, and yeah, that's one cool effect. Another cool effect with that technique of polar coordinates is doing it pretty similar. I'll show you. It's easy to show you. Uh, do the same thing. So draw some rectangles. Hold shift while I'm doing it so I can draw more than one. There you go. Control backspace, fill it in, unselect it, right click on your layer, convert to smart object. Alright, I'm gonna move it, so I use Control T. I'm gonna rotate that 90 degrees, more or less. Alright, then filter, distort, polar coordinates. Now look at that, looks pretty cool. Things coming out in the center. Yep, I'll use that. Not going to be too fussy because I am doing a tutorial, so yeah. I'm going to want that white as well, so I'm going to Control I to inverse, and then I'm going to put that up here. Now we got some lighting effects which look pretty epic. I'll lower the opacity a little bit. Yep, I'm happy with that. Alright, so far we got that, and the background, which is Earth, and looks pretty cool. Uh, what you can do before I move on, actually I'll do this first. I found this cool as looking sound wave, looks something like that. You can also do it with these. You don't have to create your own shapes. You can use ones that are already made, which I'm pretty sure you can find some cool ones out there. With this one, it's basically the same. Select your layer, filter, distort, polar coordinates. I want a rectangular to polar one, which looks pretty epic. What I want to do with that is fix it up a little bit, because at the moment I got that black edging which I don't like. So what you do here is you select the layer and you want to change it to, where is it, screen, and that'll take away that black bit. So that looks epic. Now, it doesn't matter what color you pick, you can change it. All you have to do is Control U and change the hue, color, whatever color you want. I'll go with the blue looking color. Make the earth have a nice little glow. It looks alright. Yeah. Alright, so I'll apply these layers, and looks pretty epic. And if you don't like any of it, what you can do is create a layer mask. Select your brush tool. I want a soft brush, and then just softly paint out what you don't want, like the edging here, something like that. I mean, there's many possibilities, but you know, I'm just showing you this one thing that you might be able to have fun with. Alright, layer 2, mask, get rid of some of that crap in the middle, and voila. Well, I'm gonna stop there, guys, before I talk your head off, and I hope this helped, and yeah, go have fun. See ya.